Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Paul.
So first of all, it is like what I saw is that this exam is doable. First perspective change was that I can do it. Prelims is I can clear prelims. The first realization after 2024 prelims, which I failed, was that only when I came back and saw what I have done. This was because of your mentorship only, sir. I've been there with you for around 1.5 years now. The mentorship was very focused, and I realized I was capable enough, but I was not looking on those things. Like, for instance, like I say, polity is my strong subject, but I made mistakes in polity only. Geography, NCRT questions, I made mistakes in last prelims that could have been easily scored. So this realization happened. Second thing was reading between the lines, sir. That the common sense application that I forget in the exam hall completely. That was there. That I started applying. That made questions attemptable. Third was the fear that even if I don't know a topic, especially from current affairs, then if I read it, then I can do it. There are hints there to solve them. So earlier I used to just leave those questions, leave those areas where I haven't even heard of those areas. I will leave it completely. But at the end, when I analyzed, then I realized that they were pretty much doable. There were common sense questions like those things. So it increased my attemptable questions. I used to attempt in exam. I had to give in 3 prelims till now. I used to attempt 50 to 60 questions only. But now with your mentorship and all, I can attempt around 80 to 85 questions easily. And I can go beyond that also. That has also increased my accuracy as well. So this perspective change and psychological change was the main thing that I gained from this mentorship of yours, sir. Thank you so much for that, sir.
Thank you very much.
Those assignments were the lacking areas which I couldn't fill up. So they gave me a lot of understanding, like the mains sorting thing. Now I am confident about mains also, that okay, I can answer any question. I have the ability, I can think and I can write. Earlier that was also a fear that I cannot do a question from mains. So that also sorted out, sir.